Welcome to my channel Living Linux. Recently someone gifted me a couple of games on GOG, and one of the games that I wanted to test is Doom 2, and as far as I know they never released a shareware version or a demo version, so from a legal point of view you need to have a legal copy to start playing it. So on GOG you can do view downloads, and then in this case I just downloaded the first part and the second part, and GOG is working on a Linux client of Galaxy, but that hasn't been released yet. I think they're still busy with that. And well, for me the easiest way to get to the game files was with innoextract. And the good part is that innoextract is available in the Debian repository, so you don't have to build it yourself. The only reason you might have to do that is when they have a new version and some of the game files have been released with a newer version of that Inno software. And I tried to build UZDoom on RISC-V, but I got an error message about some graphics issue, so I fell back to UZDoom. So here you can see I'm back on the SpaceMid K1 with the SpaceMid X60 cores, and I'm running the vendor version of Debian 13 with Linux kernel 6663. Now, let's just say you downloaded those two files, those two game files, the exe and the bin, and it's a good idea to put that in its own directory, because as you can see here it will extract it directly on the same level as the files. So you can install innoextract like this. Well, I already installed it, so we're good to go. And then you need to reference the exe file. Now I already did that, so I'm not going to do that again. And let's see, so if we go to Doom 2 data and then the streaming assets, and then you have the Doom 2 WAD file. So you can install UZDoom like this, and it will also install a couple of more engines. So Crispy Hexen, Crispy Heretic, and here is UZDoom. Now for me the easiest way to start with the Doom 2 game file is like this. So with iwad you can point it to the game file that you want to use, so in this case Doom 2. So this is just the demo. Oh well, so let's just do a new game. And now if you type show FPS, then you can see that we get a frame counter in the top right corner. Now, I'm not really good at playing games, but let's try to play it a little bit. I mean, those first enemies, they're not that hard. So as you can see, I'm not very good at this game, but at least it's good to see that we can play it on RISC-V. And well, I think I'm going to try UZDoom on one of my ARM single board computers. And yeah, I'm really happy that someone was willing to give me some games. So I have a wish list on GOG and on Steam. So if you want to see more videos like this, and hopefully I can also show some more games on RISC-V in the future, then support my channel by buying some of these games. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.